Aloha, I am Christy. So I am the owner and creator of Auntie Two Hands. With my business, I am inspired to make intentional jewelry. In Hawaii, we have a word called mana, which is power. And I feel like with my jewelry, this is harnessing your power. What is your intention? Wearing your story. And that's something I do pretty well here at Auntie Two Hands. Creating intentional jewelry to help bring out your story. I love a good crown. It makes me feel empowered. It brings out that Amazon warrior within me. And of course, it's always fun, especially if you're just out with the girls, having brunch, wearing a beautiful crown, go to bingo. It might bring you some good luck. So yeah, it's just fun and whimsical.
What's your favorite part about the Soul and Shelter Showcase?
What I love about the showcase is it's a gathering of other like-minded business owners like myself. We all have really wonderful intentions for the collective.
What role does creativity and intention play in your spiritual practice?
I feel that when I am creative, I'm getting out of my human space. I'm getting out of the way. I feel when I'm creative, I'm really channeling something down deep inside me from where my ancestors have left, these wonderful talents, their stories, and it just gives me an opportunity to share that with everybody else. And I don't feel like I can do that when I'm just doing regular stuff. I really feel a lot of that energy when I'm being creative with my own two hands.
What's the most meaningful feedback you've ever received about your work?
I think just hearing everyone's stories about how the jewelry has really helped them through either a hardship or helped enlighten a certain moment in their life, like a wedding or a graduation. I think that's what's most touching.